Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. Before we get started, it's important to understand that adding your business information to your Squarespace website not only helps visitors contact you easily, but it also improves your website's professionalism and overall credibility. Accurate business information can also support local SEO, helping your website appear in search results when people look for nearby services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add business information for your website on Squarespace. The process is going to be very easy and simple. If you're new to Squarespace, this is one of the first things you should set up after choosing your template, because your contact details will appear on footers, contact pages, and certain built-in blocks across your site. Head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Once we have been here, what we are going to do next is going to be very simple. I head over to my settings on my current website that I have chosen. Before you continue, make sure you're working on the correct website if you have multiple sites on your account. This helps avoid editing the wrong project and ensures that everything is organized. Click on Settings, and on the website, we're going to head over to the Selling. Now, the business information is going to be only set up for the business concerns that are going to be on the Selling. So we are going to have the Selling menu. Here, it's good to know that these business details can also integrate with Squarespace's commerce features if you plan to sell products or services later. Setting it up correctly now will save you time when configuring e-commerce or appointment scheduling tools. Click on Business Information. You can set up the phone contact or contact phone number, contact email, physical location, and everything. Providing multiple contact options, such as a phone number, business email, and physical location, helps build trust with your visitors. Some people prefer calling, others prefer email, so having both improves accessibility. So we can go ahead and start by adding the phone numbers by having maybe like that. This is a phone number, for example. You can go ahead and use an email address, jack@gmail.com. I do the disclaimer, guys. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, are going to be created all for the sake of the video, not for anything else. Make sure that you're going to use your own information to set everything up. If your business has a dedicated customer support email, make sure to use that instead of a personal email, as it helps you stay organized and look more professional. So basically, set up the physical location, and you're going to set it up just like that. Business name, for example, like that. You can go and set up the working hour, and you can go and set up like that. Click on Save. Adding your business hours is especially helpful if you have a physical store, an office, or specific support times. Squarespace can display these hours automatically in certain templates, which improves the user experience. Normally, you're going to have them just right there, and it is going to be added to the website into their specific case. Once your information is saved, I recommend previewing your website to make sure everything appears correctly on both desktop and mobile views. Squarespace automatically formats many of these details across your theme, so it's always good to double-check how everything looks. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. Say Tuesday night.